Hey guys, Erik Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at the Palm Beach International Boat Show right here in beautiful South Florida. I love this show. It kind of starts off the whole season for us. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on. If I found something from Redek that everybody in the Great Lakes needs to learn about, I'm here with Buck. Buck, how are you, brother?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good, doing real good. Tell us a little bit about Redek. What is this product?
So Redek has stemmed from Flex Mold, which is a company that does the flooring, the patterns for flooring on boats, so that when you're walking around you won't, slip on it. This is actually some Flex Mold or Redek. Redek is gel coat, so it's nice and flexy if you want to just use it.
Oh, nice.
Instead of having to make a whole mold just for the Redek or for the Flex Mold, you can just apply it on post-production or after you make the boat. You can just apply it on with an adhesive. And the adhesive will stay on pretty much forever.
Okay.
We have 5 patterns. These are the 5 patterns here. Yeah.
I love the idea of this product because I ended up having to get rid of some wet spots on my boat, and when I did that, we ended up putting down this kind of non-skid product, but it was a whole process and it was very expensive. Yeah. This sounds like it's an excellent solution to having to do all that.
Yeah, it's really easy compared to what you had to do before.
Yeah, and there's not a lot of other products that are out there like this. Is this kind of new to the market, or how long has this been around?
Flex Mold has been around a long time, but Redek is kind of just coming into the market now. It was developed earlier, but it wasn't actually brought into the open world yet.
So this is a really good solution to be able to put down non-skid anywhere on your boat, whether you're a power boater, sailboater, fisherman, whatever it is. If you want an area of your boat to not be slippery, this is what you want to put down on it.
Yes.
Okay, and what is it made out of again?
Gel coat.
Really?
Yes.
That's interesting. So what kind of process do I have to go through if I want to put it on my boat in order to get all the right measurements and everything? Because we're up in the Great Lakes. Yeah. I don't know if you guys are. Do you send somebody out? Do I take the measurements, send them in? How does that all work, Doc?
So it comes in a sheet that's 12 by 4 feet long.
Okay.
Or you can just order it by the square foot if you want it. It's if you want the whole sheet, you can get the whole sheet. If you need more, you can get 2 sheets. You don't really have to have somebody come out. You can take the measurements yourself if you'd like. Yeah,
it's thin enough so you can kind of cut it yourself. You don't have to have a professional installer come out and be able to do that for you?
No, you can use just regular shears.
I love it. No, that's fantastic. So I want to be a little bit more involved in the process of the patterns.
Yeah.
So I know you have 5 different patterns you pointed out. Can I see them like maybe on your website to see what kind of design I would like for my boat?
Yes, you can.
That's awesome, Buck. I appreciate it. So speaking of websites, if I can't make it down to the Palm Beach show, where am I going to go online to be able to find out more information about the product and find out where I can buy Redek at?
GibcoFlexMold.com.
So just GibcoFlexMold.com.
Yes.
Got it. I'm going to find it out. So if I just Google searched Redek, am I going to be able to find it there?
You will find it if you research RedekNonskid.com.
Okay, got it. And just out of curiosity, what is the adhesive that you use? Because I know there's a lot of other products that are out there that kind of use some adhesive, and sometimes it sticks, sometimes it doesn't. What have you guys been able to find that's a solution to this, since your product is thinner than some of the other closed foam technologies out there?
We use 3M adhesive.
Oh, you do? Okay. Yes. That's always good to stick.
Yeah.
Buck, I really appreciate it, brother.
It was nice meeting you.
Good to meet you too. So, GibcoFlexMold.com is where you want to go. Find out more information about Redek. Fantastic product coming up to the Great Lakes. Make sure you check them out, guys. Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you out on the water.